Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Guys, I'm in Asda. I'm in Asda Superstore, one of the biggest and affordable stores in the UK. What I want to do is I want to see if I could get some urban food. Yeah. What's your name, man?
My name is Todd, man.
Man, I'm going to Asda.
Yeah,
What do
you are a YouTuber?
Yeah, YouTuber.
My brother,
so
come on.
If somebody is moving to the UK and they're looking for like urban food, do you think Asda is the best place for them?
Nah, if I'm honest, there's more, low-key, underground stores.
Like what?
Like Alpha International. There's one shop called Alpha International.
Where is that place?
I said there's one in Easton.
Oh, Easton, I know
Easton. Easton. There's two in Easton, banging, man. They got like, the underground food, like the parafas and like the underground chicken and whatnot. But yeah, Easton would be a nice shout. Another shout would be Gloucester Road. Bristol, yeah, some banging spots there. You got Guru J's. Another spot would be, some Albanian food as well. Banging.
Okay.
That's what I've been trying recently.
Wow.
Like some lamb chops and what.
All that, yeah.
Quality food, man. But Bristol, I'd say, there's a few spots, but you have to explore, you know what I'm trying to say, because Bristol's it's a multicultural city.
Okay.
But you have to go with the places that not everyone would go to.
Exactly.
So another would be Loners as well.
Okay.
Definitely Loners. I'd put that up there as well. And another spot I'd say an underrated banger would be, what was the name of the place called? I went there recently.
Is it in Bristol?
It's in Bristol. Yeah. What was it called? It's near town.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't remember the name of it, but in city centre there's a few nice places there as well.
Awesome.
But yeah, just try to stay away from like the fast food.
The fast food stuff.
Yeah, like the KFCs
nice,
and Mackies.
Nice.
Because there's always spots out there that's better, More underground, like family-owned restaurants.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Dart, or you can call me Major.
Major. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, I just want to go in there to do some videos to show people what Asda got to offer. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Thank you. So while I was here, I just met Major. Major gave me like all these details where to get this urban food. Easton is one of the best places. Well, guys, let's get into Asda to see what they actually got for you. So, I'm planning to get some gari and some local food. So let's get in there to see what they have. Right, camera is all set. Entrance is down here. Yeah, just want to make sure they're not funny. Like a lot of shops are funny with your recording. So I just want to see if I could find some urban food. I normally go to this side for my urban food. So they have banana. So this is where I normally come for my urban food. So let's take time and explore. They play music, so copyright. There we go. So they have okra. Ladies' fingers they call it. Yeah. This one is actually going for 150. It's not that bad, It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's quite cheap. I don't know what this is, guys. If you know what this is, please do let me know. I really want to know, because I want to explore this vegetable stuff. And do you also know what this one is? I know this is strawberry, right? This is cassava. This cassava looks very healthy. I might probably be buying this one. This is actually what I came for. I'm looking for gari. If I don't get a gari, I'll probably get a cassava. Guys, do you know what this is? I don't know. And also there's a lot of fruits here that I do not know about. I don't know, guys. Is this a cocoyam? Ghanaians, if you're watching, please, is this cocoyam? If it's a cocoyam, please do let me know, because I can make a stew with this. Yeah, please do let me know. I really want to know. Well, they have onions here. The onions look very healthy. They have a lot of things here. They have, I think this is aubergine here. So let's just quickly go around to see what else. Oh my god, guys, guess what they have? They have coconuts. How much is the coconut going for? I have no idea how much. The coconut is going for 88p, guys. That's quite cheap. That's really cheap. Coconut is really cheap. I'm quite surprised. The price is that mango. mean, that's mango. Wow. I'm really surprised how much the things are. Oh wow, this garlic. How good the garlic look. It's quite tiny. Alright, now we're here with melon. They have some pineapples. And they also have pineapples. They have green chilies. They have more chilies here. So what I'll do is I'll quickly go to see if I can find my gari before I come back for my how do you call it? I come back for my cassava. Well, guys, I don't know. I heard this place is 24 hours, so I don't know if it's actually open 24 hours. But it's quite an amazing shop. I'm just exploring at the moment. They have amazing items, but you know, purposely here for food items. I'm actually looking for the world food. Here we are, world food. So let's see what they have in the world food. Look, here they have street chicken, they have katsu, they have sushi, they have almost everything. They have blue dragon fish oil. They have almost everything. And they have blue dragon noodles. They have everyday seasoning. They have a Kona, one of my favorite chilies that I use if I'm not making stew. They have Ghana Shito. Oh my god, I don't know if actually this one tastes good. But one of the Shito I bought last time, unfortunately, it didn't taste good. So I don't want to invest my money into Shito from the shop here again. Unfortunately, Asda, you know, I don't know if it's the one, but if you watch my videos, you probably see they have jollof seasoning. Oh my god, they have jollof seasoning. Where is this one from actually? This one is from UK. Yeah, wow. People have business, yeah. They have corned beef, they have coconut milk. Oh, they have more coconut milk. Wow. Guess what they have here, guys? I'm not promoting alcohol, but they have Guinness. I believe this is Ghana Guinness. This is imported Guinness, the proper Guinness. They also have super malt. I know they do have malted Guinness here, but I'm not sure. But they have Milo. They have Milo here. They have semolina. The semolina is actually going for, how much is the semolina? Maybe somebody just put it there. But they have a black eyed beans. Black eyed beans, I believe, is going for, is it island beans? I don't know which is which. Either 130 or 550. I'm not sure. Right, they have also like a proper Indomie noodles. Wow. This is good. This is really good. Let me quickly walk down to see what else they do have. Wow, this is a world food. Yeah, I'm looking for gari, but I haven't seen gari yet, so maybe it's around here somewhere. But this is what they have. They have noodle, then they have basmati rice. The basmati rice is going for 94 pence. So right, so let's check the other side of the world food. This is how the aisle actually look like. They all have numbers. So if you look up, you see they have world food, they have cooking sauces, all those things are there. So at the moment, I'm in a world food is where I really want to explore. I want to see what they have for you guys. When you move into the UK or you come into the UK for a few days, you have idea what they have here. So they have all this cooking oil. These are the things that you use back home. So when you're here, you just feel like away from home, you know. You get all your rice here. You have your basmati. You have different type of basmati. All these amazing items are here. This one is going for £20. This one is going for £13.50, and this one is going for £5. You don't have any problem at all, guys. You don't have any problem. All right. So now what are we looking for? Let's look for coconut milk. This one is going for 85 pence. Brilliant. They do have amazing items here. They do. I'm looking for gari, guys. If you see gari, please do let me know. I can't see gari yet. And they do have some masala chili there. They do have some Maggi noodles there. Wow. They have Leila, Kala Chana. They have amazing items here. What is this? Is that fufu meal? I think that's white maize meal. That's really good. You know, maize meal, if I have a cassava mix, I could actually make akplan with this, you know. So that's going for $2.79. So maize and cassava, I could actually make akplan. I just need to remember that. That's really good. That's a good bargain. So with that cassava, but I need to blend it. If I can get that cassava with this maize meal, I can make actually banku akplan with that. Yeah, so I might be thinking of that if I don't find the garlic, which is not looking promising. What did they have here? So this is couscous. So I'm here, I can't find the garlic, so my hope is stashing out. So let's see what else did they have here. They have spices, sauces, but unfortunately I don't think they have gari for me. I don't think they have gari for me. I think I might be looking forward to buy that cassava, you know. I'll be looking forward to buy that cassava. Well, since we're here, let's continue exploring to see what they actually have. So this is how the bakery section look like. I just want to show you guys what type of bakeries they have here. And this one is going for 75 pence. Oh, look at the bread section. Look at the amazing bakery section. Wow. The bread is actually going for £1.45. This bread looks so delicious. Do they have brioche? Maybe I might treat myself with some brioche. Look at the section, the bread section. It's huge selection of bread. And look behind me here, there's more section here, more variety of bread for you. You don't have any problem with a bakery. I think this is one of the biggest bakery section in a supermarket I've ever seen. Wow, look at that. What's this one? Soft sliced baguette. Very, very yummy. Oh, hello, look what we have here. We have a crispy donut. Wow, guys, this is looking amazing. These are going for sales. These are reduced. So if you want to go for this one, these are reduced. How much the reduced items are going for? Let's check this one. That one is going for 10p. Are you kidding me? This whole bread is going for 10p. Can you imagine that? 10p for everything? Wow. That's how items are cheap here. Wow, guys, can you believe that? Can you believe this is going for 10p? This one is also going for 10p, 10 pence. Oh my god, guys. That one is going for 10p as well. I think I might treat myself, you know. That's going for 10p. Oh my god. Guys, let me explore. Let me get the basket. Oh my god, look at these yummies. This is really, really good. This is really, really good. I'm quite blown away with the reduction of the items, guys. Well, let me quickly head straight down there to see if I could get some more food items, then we can wrap up this video. What do you think of Asda, guys? Like, I just came here to do the food section. You know, like if there's something that you want me to do, please do let me know. This is the lantern and tin soup. Maybe you might find something unique here. I'm not sure. They play music, so I might probably have to cut this bit out because they're playing a copyright music. They have a lot of noodles here. They have kabutu noodles. They have ichu noodles. They have all these unique, amazing noodles, guys. This is really, really good. This is amazing. It's amazing. Well, guys, let me go away from the music. The music is actually ruining my video. It's ruining my video tonight. And they have all these amazing teas here. They have a tea bag. They have twinnings. They have all these amazing teas. They have coffee. The coffee is actually going for £7.98. Oh my god! Look at the day bag. The airbag is going for actually £6.44, guys. And they have honey as well. They have golden shred. Wow, guys. Well, I don't want them to ruin my video, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap up this video. Guys, what do you think? What do you think of Asda? If it's Asda is the place that you shop, please do let me know in the comment section. Well, guys, I need to grab myself a nice large egg, so I will probably see you guys probably in the next video. You know, please consider subscribing and liking this video, and yeah, let me get a large egg, and let me get my basket. Probably, you know, make some brioche eggy bread with some reduction bakery, you know. Yeah, treat myself tonight. Well, thank you so much for enjoying this amazing video with me. This is where I am right now. I want to get myself some sales, some reduction items. So what are we looking for? I'm actually looking This is a donut. Let's not get donut. Let me actually select. This is a fruit cake. This is also going for 10p. Everything here is 10 pence. Seems like I'll be getting a lot of some delicious yummy items for 10 pence. Wow. You know guys, I could get a lot of items here for 10 pence. Which one will you go for? Please do let me know. I really want to know which one will you go for. You know, this is actually another 10p one, you know. That's 10p, so literally all these items is 30 pence. And this one, I don't know what this is. Mini donuts. It's also going for 10 pence. Is it the best bargain yet? Wow, that's amazing. It's I just noticed as well here they have a Scotch bonnet. And if you look here, this is actually hot, very hot, and it's actually going for £1. It's amazing actually, you know, like this is literally like everything. Like I actually got my Ghana fridge from Asda.